Hey, how's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the DVD drive from a Dell Precision M6700. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, slide locking mechanism to the side to release the battery. Now unscrew, then slide over base to remove it from the laptop. Then unscrew and remove DVD drive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.